What if you could stop a machine from breaking down before it even shows signs of wear? That's not magic, that's predictive maintenance, and it's changing engineering as we know it. Welcome to SkillSync AI, your daily guide to how artificial intelligence is reshaping job roles across industries. Today we're talking about engineers, the planners, designers, and optimizers of the manufacturing and logistics world. If you're a mechanical, electrical, systems, or process engineer, stick around. This episode is for you. We'll explore what predictive maintenance really is, how AI is making it possible, what this means for your role, and how to future-proof your engineering career in an AI-enhanced workplace. What is predictive maintenance? Let's start with the basics. Predictive maintenance is about anticipating equipment failure before it happens. It combines sensor data, like vibration, temperature, or noise, machine learning algorithms, historical failure patterns, to predict when a component is about to wear out, so it can be fixed or replaced before causing downtime. AI is the game changer here, because it can analyze massive volumes of data in real time and spot anomalies that humans would miss. Why engineers should pay attention. Traditionally, engineers design systems and optimize processes, but now they're expected to understand data-driven system, help incorporate predictive modeling into design work with digital twins, virtual replicas of machinery plan maintenance schedules based on AI insights, not just time cycles. This is turning engineering from a purely mechanical discipline into a hybrid of mechanics, data science, and software integration. How AI is transforming engineering work. 1. AI models for failure. Prediction engineers build or use models that can forecast part lifespan. They fine-tune these models to suit specific environments or machines. 2. Anomaly. Detection systems engineers help design thresholds for what's normal operation. When AI flags issues, engineers must investigate whether it's noise or a real risk. 3. Digital twin implementation. Engineers now create or work with digital twins to simulate performance. Real-world sensor data feeds into the twin, which updates predictions. 4. Data-driven design. AI reveals which components or processes fail. Most often, engineers use this data to redesign systems for better reliability. 5. Optimized inventory and maintenance planning. AI forecasts which parts will be needed. Soon, engineers coordinate with procurement to avoid delays or stockouts. Real-world example. Let's say you're a plant engineer at a beverage manufacturing facility. You used to schedule bearing replacements every 6 months, just to be safe. Now, AI monitors vibration patterns 24/7. It notices a subtle deviation on line 3's pump motor. Based on similar historical patterns, it predicts failure within 10 days. You act fast, plan a targeted repair in off hours, prevent a shutdown, and save tens of thousands in potential losses. That's the power of predictive maintenance. And you're still the one making the final call. What skills are in demand? To thrive in this new environment, engineers need 1. Data interpretation skills. Not becoming a data scientist, but understanding how to read AI-generated insights. 2. Familiarity with IoT and sensor networks, knowing which data to capture and how it affects systems. 3. System thinking, seeing the full machine, plus digital ecosystem, not just one part. 4. Cross-disciplinary collaboration, working with IT, maintenance, data teams, and operations. 5. Continuous learning, being comfortable with platforms like Azure Machine Learning, AWS IoT, or Siemens MindSphere. Will AI replace engineers? Let's be clear, AI is not going to design a system from scratch or manage a plant solo, but it will replace parts of what engineers do. Manual inspections, gut feel maintenance schedules, trial and error problem solving. What it won't replace is human judgment, innovation, and the ability to connect the dots across complex systems. What managers need to know if you're leading engineering teams. Make sure AI is seen as a partner, not a threat. Encourage engineers to upskill in digital tools, integrate AI into design thinking, not just after-the-fact analysis, build teams that include tech-savvy engineers and domain specialists. The future isn't AI versus engineers, it's engineers powered by AI. Predictive maintenance doesn't just prevent failure, it transforms how engineers think, plan, and optimize. Tomorrow, we'll zoom out and look at plant and operations managers and what they need to know about leading AI-powered teams. Subscribe to SkillSync AI and don't miss a single shift in the way work is changing.